In this video, I'm going to be talking about Power BI Paginated Reports, and I'm going to be talking specifically why you might not want to learn Power BI Paginated Reports. But first of all, let's be very honest with ourselves. Some of you are just hearing Power BI Paginated Report for the first time, and you're still trying to struggle with Power BI. Right now, somebody's talking about Power BI Paginated Reports. If you don't at least have on a basic understanding of data structure, how to do some basic things in Power BI, or you can do a dashboard, or you don't even know basic data analysis stuff, I don't think Power BI Paginated Reports is the first thing you want to learn. Let me show you Power BI in itself. There is a lot of visuals here, and we have Power BI Paginated Report, which is technically like a course in itself or different things. But if you still want to go ahead to learn Power BI Paginated Report, the beauty of it is that it also helps you add to your portfolio. It adds to like your resume that okay, you know how to use this report. And it's also not a bad idea to have an idea about how the report works. So my recommendation is, if you very new into data analysis stuff, I would not recommend learning Power BI Paginated Reports. But if you think you're a fast learner, then you can go for Power BI Paginated Reports, because it has its own complication also. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to install Power BI Paginated Reports without any hassle. And thank you, and stay connected. Bye.